Hello guys, and today I will show you how to restore your chat on WhatsApp on iOS device. So you need to open the application. When you type your phone number, you will see this screen. Click Restore Chat History. Then click Next. Type your name. Then click Done. Here you can see the restored chat. That's all. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.